Welcome to Messy Monday, and this Monday we're having spa day. Not for me, but for Miss Prissy, my dog. The first thing I do is gather my throw rugs because she tends to lay on them, take her treats to them, and yeah, she just takes over my throw rugs, and I don't have too many. And then I want to clean underneath her dog bowl. She makes a huge mess when she eats. So I'm cleaning that up. She's worried now. She's starting to get worried. Now I'm going to gather her toys. And this particular toy I put in the pile to be washed. And if you notice, it's already on the floor. She has went and got it back out. So I'm going to have to put that up. It is a battle with her. She has her favorite little toy, which I hid because she would have got really upset if she knew it was about to be washed. And now I'm trying to coax her into the bathroom. I thought I had her on her way. Sometimes I have to chase her. She will not come. She knows what's coming. These are just some of the things I do with her. I use Dawn dish detergent on her on spa day because it helps to keep the fleas off of her. And I only use this maybe once a month, if that, probably once a month. About every other bath I use this on her. Using this once a month does not dry out her skin, and the Dawn keeps fleas off of her. I think in all the years I've had her, I've never seen but maybe one flea on her. But when I lather her up, I let that sit for just a few minutes. I've always done all my dogs this way. And if they have fleas, those fleas will just fall off. Once I've done that, I want to really moisturize her. So I'm going to use this moisturizing conditioner that has no parabens, no sulfate, and no silicones in it, which is important because you don't want them to have itchy skin. And you can get this at the Dollar Tree or the $1.25 tree now. So I don't spend a fortune on products for her. I have in the past, and they don't work half as good as what I'm doing right now. That's just my experience. If you're someone who likes those products, you do you. But once I've got her rinsed off, that conditioner rinsed off of her, I'm going to dry her off. Look at that cute face. She's not happy. Then back to the utility room we go, and I will take her rag. I have a specific rag and towel for her, and I just wash her face off with just water. I don't want to get soap in her eyes and irritate her eyes or anything. And she's good with this, but when she sees me get the toothbrush out, she hates it. She absolutely hates it. I have a hard time getting her to let me brush her teeth. Now, all of this took maybe a total of 10 to 15 minutes. I did put the throw rugs, her toys, and her blankets in the washing machine before I bathed her. And now I'm going to put them in the dryer, and she is so cute when I put her things in the dryer. She's very possessive of them, but what she's really watching for is her little baby. She's got an itty bitty little teddy bear. She has had that since day one. I take that back. My friend ordered her another one when the original one disappeared, but she loves this little teddy bear. So you'll be able to see her reaction. I did want to say that I used to buy the big beds for the dogs, but you can't keep them clean. They are so bulky and hard to wash. The best thing I've found is throw rugs and big old blankets for them because you can throw that in your washer and dryer. This makes it so much easier to keep all of her bedding clean. This really helps too to stay on top of any flea infestations that they might get because I don't know about your dog, but my little girl, she likes to go outside. She loves to roll in the grass, which she's allergic to it, but she rolls in it anyways. And that's another thing. If you have a dog who licks excessively, my dog does in the summertime, that could simply be an allergy. And I figured it out. It's an allergy to grass. I told the vet that, and they said I was right. And it was okay for me to give her half of a low-dose Benadryl daily in the summertime. She usually pouts until her blankets and her bedding and her toys get dry, I couldn't get a picture of her pouting, but I wanted you to see how happy she is to get her things back. And what she's watching for is her little baby. Yeah, no, don't want that one. No, not that one. How about this one? No. Okay, come on. There it is. She is so happy to have her baby. I still have to clip her toenails, so my husband will help me with that. Her toenails are really hard to clip. They are black. I know not everyone's an animal lover, but those of you who do love animals, I hope you enjoyed Spa Day with Miss Prissy.